Hey everyone, I am here today with a new subscription box that I wanted to add to some that we absolutely love, and it is called Barkbox. If you have no idea what this is, it's a subscription box for doggies. So this is the Thanksgiving box, and it is so cute. Barkbox Thanks Stuffing. Find your pup's place at the table. This is a dog's Thanksgiving table setting. It is so cute. So inside the box, they have all kinds of little things for your dog. This box has toys and treats in it. This one, let's see what this one is. A duck and stuffed turkey. This one is really cute. It's a crinkle toy. So let's see what else is in here. Let's see what else we have here. We've got jellied cranberry sauce. So these are all little toys. These are so cute. And I did want to say, these are for small dogs, these toys, because my dog that I went ahead and signed up for is Rue, and he is 14 pounds. So it will tell you inside, this one crinkles, custom squeaker, and it's fluff free. Oh, I love fluff free. My dogs eat fluff like nuts. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys this one inside. Crinkle and ball squeaker. Okay, that's so cute. Okay, and then let's see. Ample apple pie. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Crinkle disc squeakers, multi-part toy. These are adorable. Okay, so we've got 3 toys. These are really good sized toys too. And then let's see, we got treats. Peanut butter and carob stick. Ooh, they would love that. That's adorable. Okay, and then let's see, triple stuffed treats, duck, lamb, and kale. Oh good, it's made in the US. That's good. I don't give them anything that was from another country. Sweet potato, honey blueberries. Ooh. Okay, and then down here, it tells you pretty much what you could have gotten. Some of these I obviously did not get because I have a smaller dog, but this is really cute. So, and it tells you everything. Treats are for eating, toys not for eating, supervised play and safe play. This is a really cute box. If you guys are looking for a really nice gift for a pet lover, or maybe you just want to give your pet a gift, this is a great box. I just had to show this. The Butt Scooters Brigade. Oh my gosh, that's really cute. So overall, I am really impressed with Barkbox. This is everything that came in the Thanksgiving box, and this is a great setup. I mean, these are great toys. You got 3 full-size toys, and then you got 3 full-size treats. This is actually enough where I can share this box with my other small dog. Rue, he's 14 pounds, and he's part Toy Fox Terrier and part Chihuahua. And then I have another dog named Rocky, and he is part Chihuahua, part miniature pincer, and he is about 6 pounds. So, and he loves toys. So I think I'm going to be sharing this box. But overall, I am really impressed. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back in this box. But again, this was the Thanksgiving box. So if you want to get a subscription like this, I would go ahead and place my order right now so that you get it in time for the holidays, for the holiday box. Because I can only imagine if they did this so cute for Thanksgiving, what could they possibly do to top this for the holidays? So that's just adorable. So again, this is Barkbox, and I totally think that this is worthy enough to be on the family-friendly subscription box holiday gift guide for 2019 as one of the best ones for pets. So overall, check out Barkbox if you guys really love your dogs, this is the coolest box ever.